For each child that's born, a morning star rises and sings to the universe who we are. For each child that's born, a morning star rises and sings to the universe who we are. We are our grandmother's prayers, and we are our grandfather's dreamings, and we are the breath of our ancestors. We are the Spirit of God. For each child that's born, the morning star rises and sings to the universe who we are. We are mothers of courage and fathers of time, daughters of dust and sons of great visions. We are sisters of mercy and brothers of love. We are lovers of life and builders of nations. We are seekers of truth and keepers of faith. We are makers of peace, the wisdom of ages. We are our grandmother's prayers, and we are our grandfather's dreamings, and we are the breath of our ancestors. We are the Spirit of God. Child that's born,